Today I am going to give you a talk on the topic radio broadcasting in India. Radio is one of the famous mass media. It is the oldest form of mass media. Mass media is a media which disseminates information to all the people all over the world. It communicates with the people, it spreads news to all the people in the world. In India, radio broadcasting has a significant role. Radio in India spreads news. Before independence, it was very difficult to communicate with the others. It was very difficult to pass information from one to another. The invention of wireless telegraphy made it possible. It enabled the people to communicate with each other. It ensured the people to spread news to other people. At first, people run to other people and spread news. Through the invention of wireless telegraphy, people began to communicate easily. Then British government took the control of radio. Before independence, India was ruled by British government. British government took the control of radio. Radio was under the control of the government. The programs which were telecasted were hearing by all the people. All the people in India were trying to hear the programs which are being telecasted in radio. ISBS is the first radio which was established in India. The expansion of ISBS is Indian State Broadcasting Service. It was invented in 1920. Before independence, radio was used for disseminating information. It was used in military camps. There were many purposes for radio. ISBS was invented in India. Then All India Radio was invented. We call it as AIR. There were only 6 stations before independence. All India Radio had only 6 stations before independence. But after independence, it spread all over the India. It had 25 stations. Now it has 219 centers all over the country. People all over the country are hearing news from home. We are listening to music in radio. Radio is used for entertainment purpose. In all the shops, radio are being used by all the people. All the people are hearing news, entertainment and other programs. Radio is very useful to all the people. It broadcasts the government oriented programs. The Voice of Youth was a program which was telecasted in All India Radio. First radio ISBS was invented in 1920. Then the Voice of Youth was a powerful program. It enabled all people in participating all the activities. People began to participate in all the government activities. Radio started to spread news about girls' education, family planning, important government news. Radio is used for entertainment and news purposes. Nowadays, it is very easy for us to hear news from home. It is easy for the people to hear any news from home. It is very quick. Radio spreads the information to all the people very quickly. So it is very easy for the people to know the news very fastly. Radio spreads news all over the country. So we should know the importance of radio in the history. We should know the importance of radio before and after independence. The growth of radio before and after independence is significant. Thank you.